Hey y'all. Well, today's a little different as you can see. So I'm actually on the road right now, but I wanted to make sure I got this going for you. So here's the thing. I did a series last year before I had to take a break because of health issues and life issues that I was really looking forward to, where I was going to show Spider-Man in 3 different ways. A very, very basic, a quicker intermediate, more advanced body style. Not exactly like a showpiece, but a very nice one. And it was actually going to be a part of a series on the body. Well, thing is life happened. Never got to finish a series with the very basic one, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to show the quickest Spider-Man that I know how to do to give you an idea. This is kind of a part of, but not really a part of, the series that's being released right now on the body parts: arms, hands, feet, bodies, faces. So I really wanted to get this out right now. Now you're going to notice a couple things. One, I have a goatee. 2, I'm a little bit bigger, and this was for me about a year and a half ago. So as you might have been seeing lately, that there's been some of these older videos with different backgrounds and things thrown on. And again, it was just life things that happened all at once, and I had to change my focus. Thankfully, life is different now, and I can focus on doing these things. So appreciate what it is, but I also appreciate your understanding that even though it's a series, it's going to be kind of put together. So with saying that, let's do Spider-Man. So let me just grab my balloons for Spider-Man here. So grab a couple reds and my blues, and let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is just going to get the feet out of the way. And we're going to do the real simple feet. This is just simply a 2.5 finger width bubble with an ear twist. We're not even going to do the knees. What we are going to do is what someone told me was called a forget-me-not, or a forget-me twist. And what we're going to do is just twist an ear twist right there. And that's just to give us a little bit of room to work when we're ready for it. Then we're going to come down here a little bit of ways, do another heel, or ear twist for the heel, and get a little balloon there, tear it off, and tie it. And just like that, we're going to untwist that, and we have our feet. Okay? Now we're going to put that down for a second, and you'll see. So now we're going to do the arms. And for this one, it's going to be very simple. Just 2 ear twists. And we're going to do, I do like elbows, even on my simple ones. I think it adds a lot. So we're going to come over, do an elbow, come up. And this isn't really going to be the shoulder. What this is going to be is a neck connector, and you'll see. So 2 ear twists. We're now going to shoot the balloon down and then back up. Okay? Go around that neck spot and do the same thing we did for the arms here. Okay? And get our ear twist into another ear twist. Here we go. Bubbles are giving me problems. There we go. So now we're going to bring down these here and lock our ankles together. Okay. Just like that. And now, again, this is the simplest one. So what we're going to do for the head, we can do a couple different styles. But for the Spider-Man, I like doing this. I'm just going to make 4 quick bubbles and pretty much make a mini ball with a little bit extra piece. Put my nozzle around it. And then take that part and twist it right into the neck. Okay. Grab my marker. And I'm going to just do a really quick spider pattern, just to give it that look. Try real hard not to mess up my eyes, which I almost did again. Okay. Give him his spider symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I want to be as fancy, let's grab that white marker. And right there is pretty much the simplest Spider-Man I've seen that kids like as Spider-Man. And again, you can make those legs shorter. Let's do that here. There we go. If that helps you out. So yeah, there you go. Simple Spider-Man. So in the other videos, you're going to see more of an intermediate, better body structure, and an advanced. Again, not a showpiece, but kind of in between. So hope you enjoy, and remember, smile is free. Thank you only takes a moment, and an encouraging word can last a lifetime. Thank you so much. Keep on twisted. Adios.